Good evening, everyone. I'm Arj Durgesh from Ultimate Class Hostel. Often I say, do something different that the world wants to do like you. You are watching my new Learning English series. In this series, I'll tell you that what am I doing nowadays. You know very well that today and every day, I keep on thinking about myself. Then I am who the different person who works hard, who is the person of words, who wants to think that he can change his aura. I have tremendous time, I have gigantic words, and I keep on doing. Whenever I think that I'm in the mood of doing something different in my life, then I tell my subconscious mind, and my subconscious mind tells my conscious mind, and my conscious mind orders my unconscious mind, and then the process comes back, comes back, comes back. These are things that I want to get through in my life because I know very well that if I activate these are things, then I will not be able to succeed in my life. But I thought that I have done these activities, then definitely I will do it. I'll think that you are doing, I should also do it. Because if I ablaze my activities and my mistakes, so then I will not be able to succeed in my life. I'm thinking like do something that people learn to you. Every time when I get up, I think. And every day when I wake up in the morning, then I think from today's onwards I have to change my aura. I have to learn something different. Whenever I think about my parents, I see their face, I think their bondage, and I see the previous thing, whatever had happened in my life, in my family members. Whenever I watch TV, Insta, Facebook, all these things, and motivational things, then the motivation come in my mind. Thoughts, the idea. An idea came and tells Durgesh, Brahmat, you can do it. Dear, don't waste time, don't waste money. Whenever I look after my parents, whenever I look after my parents, whenever I look my homes, my house, my family members, then I feel so bad that I'm not be able to help them. But I thought, what is the reason behind it? Because whenever I think, the thoughts keeps on coming in mind. Tells Brahmbatji, you can do it. Today is your day, not everybody's day. You have courage of doing something different in your life. Think about yourself. Often I do something different, but I forget in the evening when the evening comes back, pass away all these things. I talk to myself. Today I wasted this much time, also money. The next day, what will I do? What will I learn? Today, what did I learn? Yesterday, what did I learn? And tomorrow, what will I do? I know very well tomorrow never comes, but I thought the time is a great healer. I'm the person of words. I can do whatever I have to do. Because I'm thinking this, I have to spread a spiritual thing in my mind. If I do meditation, yoga, all these things, I can tell my mind. I don't need to read any books. I don't need to ask to people. I don't need to do something different in my life. Only I need to do, I need to focus, I need to pay attention on myself. Because people know very well that what are you doing at this time. In my opinion, whatever I learned, whatever I'm learning, I thought, what's my purpose? It was the God grace that I gave here. People say, may God bless you. Congratulations. Because they know what's the meaning of these words. Those person who thinks definitely he will do in his life, he will succeed. Whenever I watch, see motivational speakers and who person they worked hard in their life, they sacrificed their life. And whenever I think that no, today from onwards I have to do, I have to learn English skills, computer, I have to work hard, I have to, means I will have to do in any condition, because I know what's my family condition today now. The financial condition is not good. I'm a person who came a small village. There are many family members in my family. Now I am the who person that who is only thinking what do I have to do? What's my vision here? What's my legacy? I didn't do. I'm not be able to do it. Something different for my family members. Whenever I sleep, the motivation comes. Whenever I get up, the motivation goes out. I don't know what is happening with me, but I know the God is helping me. God is saying to me, dear Durgesh Brahma, dear son, you can do it, but update your mind yourself. Think that what can you do? Guys, pay attention on yourself. Don't compare to others, compare to yourself. Because a man is born to succeed, not to fail. You know, Swami Vivekananda also. He was who? Great sage, a monk. Before he was at their side with the family members, he was not a monk. He was only an ordinary person. He changed his all these things and he became almighty. You should be an obstinate, stubborn person. You are saying, I should be given this priority. Why is it? Why? What did you do for your family members? What are you doing? What had you done? I'm thinking, I'm not doing working hard. I have been learning English. Past for the 4 years, for the last 4 years, I'm here. Okay, I'm thinking about myself. I have been here. What's my purpose? I'm reading newspaper, talking to myself, thinking that no, I'm learner, I have to learn lot of things. I go to meet to people. My mentor tells me, you keep on study. Please continue it. Go ahead, go through, go further. You can do whatever you want to do. They motivate me. Not only they motivate me, they tell me about life, all these things. Why should I do? Why should I not do? I asked to many people about degree, knowledge, money, all these things. I learned so many things. Now I am thinking that I have to change my legacy. I have to do for my family members. Because whenever I think about my family members, bondage, earlier bondage, what had happened, what was happening, what is happening today, what will be happen tomorrow, then my mind tells me, Durgesh Brahmaji, you can do it. You have the power of words. You are the courageous person. You are an interested person. You can change. You not only you can change yourself, also you can change people. You have the potential of all these things. You can overcome your all this stress, depression, like this anxiety, whatever you can say etc. So guys, I'm saying and I'm telling that I can do it because I'm allowed to say. Not no, so nobody said to me that you are not allowed to talk like this. What's the nonsense? How dare to say to about it? How? Nobody has monopoly to everybody. Swami Vivekananda said, think past, think ahead, think big, grow up. Okay, nobody has monopoly to you. Also, Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he says that don't blame to your team, don't blame to your staff, don't blame to who with whom you are playing, you are playing. Blame yourself, teach them lesson, explain them. Only 2 and 3 minutes. Don't tell them, don't think, don't tease them, don't annoy them, don't feel like a jumpy, all these things. You have to learn. Don't be aggressive all every time. You saw Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Like this we have to become. We say that I have to become a collector, teacher, engineer, anything else. Are you capable of becoming an engineer, doctor, anything else? What the hell are you talking about them? They became because their legacy was good. Their mentor, their monk was good. They were the disciple who they worked hard. They thought since their childhood I have to do like this. Now you are living in the today's generation, social media is going on, and then we are feeling like a jumpy. Nobody has rights to do something different because they are not doing. They have no skills, they have no talent, they have no degree, they have no anything else. They are saying that I can do anything else, I can become whatever. What the hell are you talking? Who said to you that you will become teacher, all these things? Swami Vivekananda. And any person who came in this world, also Arjuna was asking to Lord Krishna that this is my family. Krishna said, who said to you that these are your family members? Now I am going you through. I am taking you in the past. He told about all these things, what had happened in the past. Krishna, his birth was happened in, what we can say, in the prison. And then he came out. He went away. In this other side, he had two different type of parents. And since his childhood, nobody was saying to him, many demon and many hypocrite, they came to kill him, but they couldn't kill him. Because his vision, his legacy was only good. He never blamed to anybody. Then that many things happened with me when I was born in the prison. Everybody took out me in another house. I left my family members. Then I came to another family members. After that, I did hear somebody came to kill me, demon, and all these things, etc. After that, I grew up. Then my relatives, my mama, my maternal uncle, he came to kill me. He wanted to. Then in the end of Mahabharata, the Kunti gave me the curse, and because of them all this thing I am going to die. He never blamed to anybody. He kept on thinking about himself. He put up his thought in his mind, and he every time changed himself, kept on changing. So now you have to become like a Krishna. You are become like a Ravan, demon. Need to understand what is the vision in this entire world. That's why I am thinking. Also, I want to do something in my life. Nobody think about it. What can I do? What I have to do? I'm learning. I'm thinking that definitely in coming of time, only I have 1 year, 1 and 2 years. Within 1 and 2 years, I will change my life. I'll give myself. I will work hard, smart work, anything, whatever I want to do, I will definitely do in a condition. And I will become motivational speaker. I will do for my family members. I will change all this, whatever I have to change, because I know very well definitely I can do it. Because if I have to become a Javan, I will become a Javan. If I have to become a Hanumana, I will become a Hanuman, and then I will do it. Because he said to Sita Ma, Ramadut mein maat jaane ki sakti kahun karwana dhani. Now we have lots of degree. We can say I have done lot of this in London, anywhere. I'm the person who that working hard all this. I tell you, nobody is asking to you. You are hopeful. You are saying that I have done PhD, NEET, NET, UGC NET, PhD. I am teaching to students. I taught lot of students. They got a job. Anything? Why are you saying? Nobody asked you. If they are asking, tell them. But you are egoistic person. You are feeling like I'm a God, I'm almighty. Nobody asked you. If there is a required, then tell you. Nobody asked about your qualification. You are not a Hanuman who said that Ramadut mein maat jaane ki sakti kahun karuna dhani ki. You said no, I am a good person that who changed all these things. Hanuman didn't say. So like we have to become. We talk to people. Then we will understand what's our vision here. So my story is not I'm not telling about my story, I have done lot of, I learned so many things. I'm the learner. I'm learning. Every time, anywhere, anytime, anywhere else, I will keep on learning. Now I want to say to you, also you do it. Why are you wasting your time? I don't want to waste. I don't want to waste my time. I believe in God. I trust in God. I believe in God. I think definitely God is helping me. Ups and downs comes and ups and downs happening and will happen and then happen. Don't think. Whatever is happening, good. Whatever will be happen, good, and whatever had happened was good. Think by God's grace I came here. He has given us body, two legs, two hands, two eyes, nose. Body is given. If you know anything else, then you thought like a beggar. You have something different you can do. Like a beggar is not thinking that I'm a beggar. Who am I? Who am I? He's going to beg. He should think, am I different of gene? If I change, then I do it. A fool. Somebody is making you fool and you are becoming a fool. Oh, I'm getting a late. I have to beg like this. What the hell are you doing? You are not understanding tremendous time. Your God has given you body, all these things. You are not thinking that I have to do something different for my family members. Like you are doing, they are throwing you out from your house. I want you go out from my house. You get out from my house. Who said you? The God said you? No. Everyone know. You thought I'm poor. Since my birth I was poor, then today I'm poor. You thought. If you think you will be a rich, you thought you are poor. So change yourself and change your aura. What the hell are you doing? Somebody thinks, no, I worked hard. I was living in a town, a cottage. My father was working hard. I didn't. I became a rich. No. Be disciplined. Be confident. Do work with consistency. Be obstinate. Be honest. Think about future. Live in present. Always be happy. And make other people happy. Make them speak frankly. Learn something different. Talk to people. Discuss about all these things, what you do, what's going on in this era, about the planet, water, skills, knowledge, communication skills, educations, India, other countries, etc. Newspaper, choose different type of topics, find out about research about India's history, India's legacy, why became Aryabharat, Bharat, Hindustan, India, all these things. Change. My topic and my channel is saying to you, and I am saying to you, don't subscribe, don't use bell icon, don't follow, don't like. I want to say do something different than the world wants to do. Okay.